Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a blur effect to your videos using CapCut. Whether you want to hide sensitive information or create a dreamy vibe, the blur effect is super easy to use. Let's dive right in. First, open the CapCut app on your PC. Now start by importing your video into the timeline. To import your video, click on Import and choose the video from your gallery. Drag it to your timeline like this. Once your video is loaded, tap on it to select it. Copy the video and paste it by clicking Ctrl-V on your keyboard. Now, in order to add the blur effect, click on Effects right here and click on Lens. You will see blur effect right here. Drag on your image like this. Once you have selected the blur effect, you can adjust its intensity from here. Simply drag the slider to make the blur stronger or softer. Like this, it will be softer. It will be stronger like this. If you want to blur only a specific part of the video, use the mask tool. This lets you highlight the area you want to blur while keeping the rest of the video clear. Click on Mask, click on Add Mask, and select from here whichever you prefer. Adjust it like this, the part you want to blur out. Once you are happy with the blur effect, you can now preview your video to see how it looks. Once you are happy with it, go ahead and export your video by clicking on Export. And that's it. Adding a blur effect in CapCut is super easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.